Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Netflix app not detecting controller. If your Netflix app is not detecting the controller, do not worry, this issue is common and easy to fix. First, make sure your phone and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Without this, the controller will not be detected. Next, restart both devices and open Netflix again. This helps reset the connection system. Now, go to the App Store, update Netflix app again to the latest version because outdated apps often cause detection problems. Then open a Netflix game on your TV and then open the controller option in your phone again. If it still does not detect, sign out and sign back in to the Netflix on both the devices. Also check if the Bluetooth or permission are enabled on your phone because some games require access. If nothing works, reinstall the app and try pairing again. Now your Netflix controller should be detected properly. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next guide.